Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can finally add an external link inside of your Instagram stories without having the 10,000 follower restriction. Before we begin, you have to make sure that you're updated to the latest Instagram version. If you've already tried to add a link but couldn't find it in here, that may be the issue. You might have auto app updates turned off, or maybe it just hasn't been pushed to you yet. To do this, head to the App Store and then search for Instagram. If an update is available like this, hit Update. Once you're done updating, close the App Store and then head back into Instagram. Create a new story post by tapping the plus sign at the top and then selecting Story at the bottom. Next, take a picture or select one from your photo library. On the next screen, tap the sticker icon at the top. Now inside of here, you should see Link. If not, just do a search at the top for it. Tap Link and then on the next screen add the URL that you want to link to. When you're finished, hit Done. You can then customize the link however you'd like, and when you share the post, other users can then tap the link in your story and be sent to the URL that you entered. And that's how you can finally add external links inside of your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.